Welcome to week 4 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks and a parlay including those 3 picks. I'm picking the teams I think that are most likely to win regardless of odds, and the best thing about this is that there's zero investment involved. And I'll show my current stats week to week. So if you're interested in free sports predictions and free ways to earn Bitcoin, please use the Ember app link that I put in the description. So far, I'm 10-2, had a close loss last week, which makes me lose my parlay, but I'm at $85.23 won and $11.52 lost. Still pretty good. My first pick is the Buffalo Bills over the New Orleans Saints. The Bills have arguably looked like the best team in the league so far, and the Saints might be the worst. This is the biggest no-brainer of the week. You're not going to win a lot more sats than you bet, but remember, the name of the game is turning these sats into withdrawable sats, so I'm taking the Bills. My next pick is the Detroit Lions over the Cleveland Browns. The Browns are the ones who made my record what it is. I was undefeated before this, so I'm coming for revenge with the Detroit Lions. They just beat the Ravens and looked really unstoppable on offense, and I don't think the Browns are going to be able to keep up. And my last pick is the Los Angeles Chargers over the New York Giants. The Chargers have also looked really good, going 3-0, and just like I predicted last week, the Giants' offense is just not that good with Russell Wilson, and they're having a quarterback controversy, so they might be just playing a rookie. Still, I think Justin Herbert's having a great year, and I think they keep it rolling. So I'm going Chargers over Giants. And my parlay this week of Buffalo, the Chargers, and Lions will net me 7,381 sats. Not quite even like 1.5 to 1 odds, but these games should really be blowouts, so let's get these stats. And I'll be back next week with updated stats and updated picks for everybody. Good luck to everybody this week.